Hey there, this is a cleaning supplies checklist that I think would be super helpful for you if you love to organize or if you have a cleaning company and you need to make sure that you have all the cleaning supplies in your home, or even if you own an Airbnb and you need to make sure you have all the supplies in that house available. Okay, so every category is up here at the top. This can be changed. You have to just highlight it and change the category if you want. And then everything is here for you. I try to keep a lot of the sprays here on this section and a lot of the other just basic cleaners on this section. And then the tools on this section here. So I'm going to write tools again. And then, so as you know that you have the item, just check it off, highlight it and put the quantity, and then put the stock. There's a place for notes if you need to buy something, and then sorry, that looked really off and I had to fix it. So there's a place for a shopping list. You can just check off the items as you have them, and you can delete this and add a different item if you need to buy something else. That's not what I already have on this list. So that's how this works. I hope this helps you. Feel free to click on the link in the description below to purchase this spreadsheet. It comes from a larger group of spreadsheet documents that I have, and it's part of a whole household spreadsheet. So it's a big bundle basically. So I hope this helps you. If you need anything, feel free to reach out and let me know. Thanks guys, and have a good one.